Project management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and regulating resources of an organization in order to achieve certain goals and objectives. The objective is to manage and control the organization resources such as time, cost, and quality. Property management has an important role in handling all parts of the rotas from start and into the finish of the project, also aligning the project objective with the SMART criteria. Acronym of SMART. First, the term of SMART is acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time frame. It is a goal-setting approach and strategy used in management plan to provide a clear and easy framework for creating goals and accomplish project objective. First, SMART. S stands for specific, which project managers are responsible for determining and setting the objective which are appropriate for the project practice. The specific objective must be in details, understandable terms which state clearly so that everyone may understand it. Then M stands for measurables. Project manager and teams leader must define objectives against which may measure success or failure. This will encourage the team member to be more efficient in their job to meet the standard criteria for achieving their goals. Then A stands for attainable. All project managers should consider giving achievable goals to their team members based limitation and available resources and according to the team member capabilities. And then R stands for relevance, which when setting a goal must be relevant to the project management visions. It can be reachable and it must clear. It can be practically useless if it has no relevance to the project. Lastly, T stands for time frame. Having a deadline, specific schedule for achieving a certain management objective exhibit a feeling of urgency among the project manager and team members, resulting in the goals being accomplished within the time limits.
We have selected Burj Khalifa as our case study. The Burj Khalifa, often referred to as Burj Dubai before it was officially inaugurated, which is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It was renamed Burj Khalifa, taking an honor of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the current president of the UAE and ruler of Abu Dhabi. It now holds 17 world records, which many of it are related to the building's height. The total size of Burj Khalifa is 5.67 million square feet, which includes residential and business space, an Armani hotel, and a variety of retail shops surrounded by an impressive man-made lake and pedestrian promenade. This table shows the features of Burj Khalifa. Meanwhile, the table below indicates the material specification used in the construction of Burj Khalifa. Next is the Burj Khalifa SMART goals. First, specific. The government's ambition to build the Burj Khalifa is to strengthen the economy away from its reliance on oil and help Dubai gain international recognition. Next, measurable. As the Burj Khalifa is a massive project, they have incorporated project milestones and work breakdown for the development. Third, attainable. Burj Khalifa accumulated a staggering quantity of facts, figures, and data, whereas the Burj Khalifa owns numerous world records such as tallest building, tallest freestanding structure, highest outdoor observation deck, and tallest service elevator. Fourth, relevant. As the goals and objectives of Burj Khalifa itself are to obtain international reputation and recognition, they have been put into action and have achieved numerous world records and surpassed other existing iconic buildings worldwide, which are connected with the primary goals of the development. Last but not least, time frame. The period was estimated to be 47 months between January 2004 and December 2008.
Next, I will explain about the role of the expertise. Firstly, is developer. Developer is a professional who manages the operation of the project by providing the funding for the project to run smoothly. Other than that, developer need to recruit the professional team such as project manager, consultant, engineer, architect, and quantity surveyor. Project manager. The role of project manager is to organize and direct the team to perform project objectives and goals. By manage the certain activities include planning, organizing, staffing, controlling, and directing. Project manager also need to supervise the performance of the project by ensuring the work completed on time and within the budget. Consultant need to assist the client with their expertise to reach goal and fulfill the objective based on the requirement. Next is the role of architect. Architect involved in the project through design, where they prepare the drawing and the document for the project. Other than that, architect also consult with client to determine the design requirements that the client want. Contractor is a professional who lead the construction of the project by manage the construction process, where they need to ensure the design and site safety are well met, as well as the law and the regulatory. The engineer need to monitor the performance of the design of the project, as well as observing the safety and health standard in the site, where engineer develop the policy standard. Lastly is quantity surveyor. Quantity surveyor need to assist in the financial side for the project construction, where they need to deliver the costing expertise in the project. They also need to assist in acquisition of material by estimating the quantity, cost, and time scale for material and labor. They need to ensure the financial of project reported and control it.
My name is Nurul Aini Nazirah, and I will present about disruptive technology and digital application used for Burj Khalifa. There are 7 technologies used in construction of Burj Khalifa. Firstly, the geotechnical technology. In order to build this building, 2 years of preparatory work are needed, including ground study, excavating and foundation construction, which implementing the geotechnical aspect. Then, concrete pumping technology. For a long time, concrete pumping record have been said that was out of sign with its commonly site measure. The pumps maker organized a photo shoot and print and distribute thousands of flyers to reveal the record-breaking amount. Next, wall and floor technology. The floor plan of Burj Khalifa is shaped like a Y and the structure utilizes a supporting core. Then, for mold technology, Burj Khalifa utilized the SKE mold system to raise the prominent area mold element and the climbing scaffolding by one casting section at predefined periods. Then, external wall technology. The surface of the exterior is utilized to reflect the heat of the sun every day, which is the component covered by fragile layer of metal. They effectively reflect ultraviolet light. Next, fire protection system in Burj Khalifa. This system features several intelligent smoke, alarm, heat and optical sensor available in every room space across building. Lastly, wind engineering technology. The unconventional design of Burj Khalifa can divert the wind around the structure, preventing it from producing irregular vortex of air current that will shake the tower from side to side. There are 3 digital applications used in Burj Khalifa. Firstly, outcome-based service software, which used to collect real-time field data, detect, normalize and execute intelligent algorithm for predictive and preventive asset of building. Secondly, Honeywell's EBI system. This is to unify the system of the building and increase the connectivity of intelligent device. Lastly, WeStick technology. The developer implement WeStick technology to make the tower more visually appealing and develop a system to blend with building's architecture.
The next topic is sustainable strategies that being implemented by the project management team to complete the project. First is a clear planning of the development. In order for the project to complete right on time, the project management team has illustrated a clear planning of the development, such as the project's objective, the estimated cost and budget, and the expected date of completion. This is to ensure that the project did not take any additional time, cost and budget, and being a guide to complete the project. The next strategy is quality and safety strategy. In order to complete the project in a good quality and safe level project, the project management team have planned the quality and safety strategies, which they are implementing the following practices. The next strategy is communication strategy and regular reporting. The key factor of successful mega and huge project is communication. The project management team of Burj Khalifa had implemented a communication strategy from traditional walkie-talkie to wireless mesh network technology to avoid any delay in construction activities due to communication problem. And they are also conducting a regular reporting in every process of development stage to ensure that the project runs smoothly. The last strategy is technology implementation strategy. Nowadays, the application of technology seems to often in every type of project as it speeds up the construction period and enhance the quality of the building and the project. The project management team of Burj Khalifa had implemented several technologies during its construction period, and one of it is 3D cycle technology, which it aims to to raise the entire construction 1 story per every 3 days in order to complete constructing 160 stories within 48 months.
In conclusion, adhering to the SMART goals concept provides a straightforward and intuitive structure for goal setting and assists in approaching the objective. Furthermore, the Burj Khalifa project indicates that the evolution of tall building system is always directly tied to the most recent advancement in technology. Therefore, Burj Khalifa seems to be another step ahead in the technological concerns of the other buildings in the future.